Welcome back. My name is Tirime Waterboy BMC R&B. At this junction right now, before I pack my load and luggage is Vamus come over studio, you know, say across the bridge must happen now because workshop they happen from now. I can go reach 4 p.m. and Lady J, the host of the show, they the building right now. Lady J, how body now? How every?
Fine, no, I did all right, so I did okay.
Yeah, I had the whole preparation for the Christmas arrangement and New Year. You they get that feeling saying the spirit of Christmas around self.
No, when you now, to be very, very honest, the excitement that when I see the Christmas lights, the decorations for different locations, the Christmas songs, I know say yes, the season will come, and then the change of weather.
Yeah, the small Harmattan when come outside.
No, I did just with a friend this morning, and I tell them, say, when I be small picking, once Harmattan don't enter, I know say Christmas don't they come. So I did very, very excited. Say Christmas don't come. So even as much as the Harmattan they cold well, but then they keep me happy and motivated. And I say, na Christmas.
New cloth. You must wear new cloth.
Yes, so
you must wear new cloth for sure.
For sure.
For sure, you must wear new clothes. I don't know if parents see they do. I believe they still do it though, because like some of us now November they buy our clothes. It never cost that time. I remember my grandmom that time go market to Biaja market. You know that time they put the cloth for nylon.
Yeah.
Like this nylon when dry cleaner they use they'll put on, so you go buy and come. And if you want to buy clothes for us that time, because I guess on courses when they follow us stay that time, you go buy like the one who will grow up go meet. Like we'll use that cloth for the next 3-4 years. With they go meet the cloth. You get once you buy a con, they will get this big boss. So the exciting thing I say, you go say test. No, we not the test at that time because before you come out, you don't carry broom, don't even measure our shoe, our shoe size. You know, say that broom that they use that time. Yeah. No, you buy a con. Once you carry a con, you go your breeze and throw our eye. Say, Siamo, your Christmas clothes already. We don't be very excited. Yes. Instantly, we know the test them. Instantly, you don't carry enter that big boss. Then they use red and black, and sometimes they will use green. They paint the boss. They get locker for left and right. Iron box.
I remember.
Once my grandma puts that in there, you not get how you want to open now. You don't even know where the kid is. Babe. Only when that clock will see daylight again. Now Christmas morning 25th. Early morning.
Now she go open now.
And guess what? Because we know say the clock they has, our excitement go just too much. What they can't. Hey, maybe first day of December, second day, 18th. What they can't. What they do countdown because we want you to wear that cloth and come outside. And to cut up and off, you come back. Maybe you come add glasses, Jen, when they get different color. When you go raise up.
Plastic glass.
Yeah.
Now all those things. You know, when you talk that thing, I remember one particular Christmas. We they prepare. We don't even know that we go wear Christmas cloth that year. So we go sleep Friday night. Saturday morning, as we enter Papa room now, we can't see. Okay, for inside parlor, we just see cloth for inside this transparent nylon with hanger. My sister. We can't be excited.
You always say that transparent nylon,
and a Christmas cloth, so they can't hang them for room. So anytime we enter the room, I go look the cloth.
You're observant. Yeah,
Christmas
you can't wait
day.
for it.
Can't wait for Christmas Day when you go wear the clothes, you know.
Unlike now when we say the moment you back, don't let the children know already. So that excitement, I don't know if they see they do them. Maybe some homes see they do them though.
They see they do them.
Because your things don't change now. These days, they most times safe. Like my children now, the Christmas clothes when we buy for them, we carry them go.
Make them choose.
Yes, make them size and up to take check you get because we no one can't go as come they find out say because we know they use that formula where our parents they use again when it go be oversized when they buy for us.
So
now waiting they save us.
Christmas time it go fit you.
No, you go wait. So the thing said they go fold that for Christmas Day. They don't fold the trouser. Then in now suit you call the logo come up for your hand. You raise your hand up like this. Raise your hand up like this. It go take you like 3 years to grow up. Make that cloth fit you.
All the things when we go through.
And no, that is for me. I not really see as error. Looking and thinking back now, it kind of like make our parents feel manage their resources well.
Yes.
Because imagine buying most of the clothes when I don't buy for the last Christmas for my children. You know the size any of them again.
Because they grow fast.
Yes, that money is gone. Imagine if I had bought oversized for my son. If I see they use 2 years now.
In this time my age.
Before so now be the thing. What was the difference?
Maybe
we not happy that time.
Now they're more outspoken.
Yeah.
You know, but they not born you to people must say I don't like this cloth. You
don't
don't
like your own don't finish. You're not going to wear that one when you don't like. You're not going to see anyone
that's
wear.
Your punishment. But these days now, children, I don't like one picking. They cry, say, no, this shoe is too tight. I don't like that pastor shoe. Say that pastor shoe.
And guess what? Now those pastor shoes that they give us that time when we come point, you can't get pointed nose for front.
They cry, say, no, I don't want that pastor shoe. Say, no, they say no. So children now, then they're a lot more expressive.
Yeah, I think the word is also very too sensitive because even those times when they wear all those big clothes, when not be our size, we know they really make fun of each other because everybody they wear. If you try that right now, you'll see one boy with, why did they buy this kind of clothes for you? Didn't see the picking up, they cry. You don't cry, come. And I think now why parents these days, let's just try and get it right. And that's a waste of money too, because if you look how much you feel save if you buy oversize for your picking, you go do one.
Or best thing, go meet fashion designer, make them make the clothes.
The cloth.
Let them sew them to the size of the picking.
Even that time safe. I think if the one will see so close, they leave allowance.
Yes, now.
So as you grow, if you don't increase more, they'll go lose the first allowance. You come for maybe after like a year or two, the clothes on the tight, you don't go lose the second allowance you get. I don't think they do that these days, though.
Well, when you talk allowance, I remember what happened to me yesterday. I get wardrobe malfunction. I just go back, go change new clothes where I buy. I wear them. I can't notice the waist tight. Even till now, said the pain where I did feel.
Feel also. So you increase for waist. You go? Did they go gym?
I don't know how you take a pusher.
Oh, you know the chop life though. Anyway, your life don't take a turn. I'm not gonna lie, give you even the way you dey gash these days also change. I'm not gonna lie. I want commend you which day when I see was it yesterday? No, that was yesterday. Now I see you. I mean, yesterday was Monday.
Yesterday was Monday.
Yeah. So now that cloth when you even wear, so now you say you can say
I been get accident.
When you may accident, asa?
Last month.
Which kind of accident?
Before the car brushed me, I come.
You did what you dey think?
I just dey waka my own jet.
For middle of road.
No, side of the road.
Now car come brush you.
Just brush me. So I come, my hand just go up like this.
You can't hit ground. Yeah, though, but you not get injury.
Sweat. No, I don't get. So I don't do on medication. I know certain medication will make you go say, make you chop.
Lady J, not use that one as you dey chop normally.
No, just to give an example. I don't start diet. I don't lose some weight. I actually don't lose some weight.
Lady J will love life. They chop life anyhow.
You see the chop
this
life?
Early morning, 8 o'clock never do. Lady J they knack heavy beans, plantain, egg.
Which egg?
Everything. Okay, egg not do that.
No,
but beef, everything day inside that thing.
No beef. Now just plantain and
egg and bread.
Beans.
But I see bread by your left.
Bread.
Now. Okay. You they chop life now. It make you add weight. Not be say
I'm being very honest.
You want blame drugs. Say that drugs make her chop.
You don't get empathy for your body.
Who shall be empathy again?
But they tell you say
they talk reality.
I just give an example. So okay, if I want to sit down, say okay, where this weight come
example
from?
No align.
This to you.
But
me, I know my body.
Wait even make me sure say never even chop second dose again. I say because any small thing you must see white line on. Any small time legit work up you must see white line on. Either na meat pie, na burger,
I don't answer from meat pie. For the last 3 months, I never chop meat pie.
Okay.
Never chop meat pie. Never chop
burger. So what you can use as an alternative now? What you
I don't take snacks.
Oh, you don't leave snacks.
Yes.
Oh, what you can consume now?
I do more of like that beans and
protein.
Protein.
Okay. But you know say protein they add with jam because really you don't actually do bokoto, not be joke. No, not joke. You don't add body.
I know.
It's good. It makes you look. Clearly you're not gonna be like say they suffer again. Because the kind of position when you get now, you're not supposed to look like say they suffer. You're supposed to look like say they insure. You get me.
This your math. Now God go deliver you.
Anyway,
I did wait now. They go somewhere.
Okay.
I did talk with you happen.
Okay.
So new cloth. I did very nice dress like this. As I don't come up from my gate, I just say, "Pra."
Your cut.
Yeah. I said, okay. You know it's not just small.
Small
tear. I go manage them. By the time I reach Boston, they don't do pra.
For Boston.
I just come back. Just take the next available. Just go back. Go change the cloth. What thing I wear yesterday? No, but I plan. So I can't contact the lady now. She say, make I go find person who go help me open them the more. Say allowance day, but maybe. Maybe the clothes and a size 20. The thing shock me. I no go lie you. When you talk that allowance,
okay. But they don't open the allowance now.
No, I don't leave them. When I get in time, I go.
Now you go do them. Okay, briefly and sharply, audio of the day on how Lagos State government don't shut down Matthew on fire, lot choosing and different businesses across Lekki, Victoria Island over environmental infraction. And I believe it's in a complaint of the people living around
They make noise.
That area now they report the noise. So according to the report, they say the Lagos State government does seal several establishments, including churches, hotels, and entertainment venue over violation of noise pollution regulation and other environmental infraction. So they say the enforcement action they carried out by the Lagos State Environmental Protection Agency, which is LASEPA, and according to the agency, they say this infraction they pose significant risk to the public health and safety. Say their vetted location include Shomolu, Oniru, Victoria Island, Jakande, Lekki, Badore, Aja, Lekki Ekpe Expressway, Shangotedo. They go reach Shangotedo, Lekki Phase 2, Ogombo. My area too, and the Lekki Phase 1 among other areas. Now they take close down these businesses and shops. The agency can say the churches when they involve, say na churches they involve hotels, lounge, and restaurants. See they find out say that they contribute to excessive noise level, and that they engage in other practices when they harmful to the environment where they built these places put.
So which kind of practices be that?
Too much noise, playing loud music. Yes.
Okay.
And you know, Lagos is so small. If you don't check the map of Lagos, you'll find out say the land available not supposed to accommodate over the 25 or 24 million estimated people living in Lagos. So imagine. So now, why you notice most of these businesses, most of these land, most of these churches, they build down around residential areas. This and when be their peak hours. Now when people supposed to they sleep. So when they play those loud music right now, those people not feel sleep. Any small thing, they don't. And Lagos, they active. Then once they hear complain like that, and they come, they observe and say, truly, you they cause noise pollution. They go closer down, which don't actually happen right now.
I feel say some of those noise things, get this particular speaker where they put for outside, so the noise they come out. I don't know if you know them.
No, church is not the use them again. That one don't say now.
I don't know the church where they pass. I see the church.
They still put on.
This one is still there.
No, they don't. If you try that one now, self, they go arrest you, close down your church forever. You're not going to see forgiveness, self. I swear.
So waiting be the as they don't seal them now. How long be this sealing? And I say make them find a way to reduce the noise, or Nasimi they come from the area.
Most time when LASEPA do sealing and shutdown of places like this because of noise, I think there's always an underground conversation when go happen after. Oh, I will not do it again. I promise. Maybe they go sign. I'm just guessing. It might not be, but they go sign some papers because some of the place when they don't close that. I know say you can't later open after like a week. The people they're not going to play loud music again. So I think maybe those kind of conversation will certainly happen now between the owners of those places, because those places need to run now for them to make money. This is not the peak period of where Nigerians businesses they actually make money, and maybe they go promise say they're not going to increase the music to so level again. You get because where you want to move this place to go. For Lagos, if you say okay, maybe not the residential area, which area you want carry them go, where they want situate put, knowing fully well say Lagos they very compacted, you get. But I know say they go resolve, especially the churches will not waste time because Sunday is around the corner. You know say they go do on wash night, Christmas wash night, right? When be Christmas? Next week Wednesday.
Next week Wednesday, yes.
Okay, activities they go for church right now, and those are actually big churches when they are affected. So I know say conversation with all they go on underground already, but it's good say agencies like this they function because we need them to have a sane society, or else if we come from where where anybody feel your behavior, you know how that thing they affect most people now. They take their sleep away. My 2 years for Ibadan, Lady J, the church beside me every night they do all night. Every night. What you save me that time say I know they work in the morning. So by 4:35 a.m. they don't close. Now that time I want to sleep. Reach around 10 because my work they start by 11. You get. And I know how it mess up my head mentally because if you they lack night sleep, it becomes a problem for your body.
They feel sleep because of the noise.
Yeah, the noise is always too much. One time say I will buy speaker, I can't put them for the fence. As they play their own, me they play my own. More they disturb each other. Now my caretaker come beg me say, Arabi, what you they do that? Bring her come. Now when I want to come up for Ibadan, I said that speaker. You know those one when they get called, I put on but the noise overshadow my own because I'm not sure say my own do anything.
Well, people get to understand say the sanity of people they very important.
Yeah.
In as much as yes, you they worship God, you also need to consider how it will affect people. Consideration.
Yeah.
Sensitivity to how it will affect the next person it is very,
very important.
Very
yeah,
important.
whether church or religious artists or even business, you need to consider those things. And I think I don't say most time what they create is not be clubs they pad their sound
their walls.
Yes, now all these lounge when you put like 2 speakers outside. Yes, next breeze they blow and enter the next compound, which does not make sense.
Even me personally, if I did gathering and this and the music too loud, okay, get one place where they call Fish Farm for Udu. I don't call the name.
Not me. Just
So I think early this year we get Hangout, one of the groups where I did for inside, and we did outside, and the music they so loud. We guys beg the orgas say I beg. Reduce the volume. Say enough, reduce the volume. Say the best way go for do that. Say go face the speaker.
Go another side.
So we can't. If you need to talk, that you go need to talk at the top of
your voice.
So we can't get another hangout again because one of us they celebrate her 40th. Thankfully now, it not be that side. Now see the same place, so but be that side where the noise plenty. You can't fit do them for inside one of the restaurants.
Yeah.
So because I can't they talk with one of the ladies, I say, thank God. At least person not go to shout if you want to talk.
Yeah.
Because it's so loud.
So this business people, especially the owners of land, need to also understand. Say the reason why people they come land now to have a quiet place to take conversate while they drink. You not necessarily need to put your music at the highest volume. Not be club. Now why club? Now why they sample club? Because now if you increase volume, you're going to do whoa. But when they reach land, just play music. Calm, low music. When you go put me, they conversate with the person when they not be they bring your ear come. I did land you. You understand? It doesn't make sense. I think they can do better.
They can do better.
Sharply and briefly, Lady Jane. I don't know what you feel about this. I know say you be good, ma'am. So you get one lady when they drag on top Twitter right now. So what did the lady do? She can't post on her. She dey thank her man for not leaving her and staying with her. What happen? She cheat, can't even get baby outside of their relationship. He can't thank the man. You are the best man. May I read? Hold on. May I read this right on? May you understand? Okay. He said, when I cheated, you stayed. When I had a baby on you, you took care of me. When I left you, when you was at your lowest, you took me back when you came up. When I got married and I told you that we could still date in private, you agreed. Baby, the day you told me you rather have some of me than not to have me at all, you made me realize what unconditional love is. You have loved me genuinely and true. And through all, I have put you through. Say they're not speak English for you, but you still chose me. You are the true definition of a king. I love the way you love me. You don't even love the guy. He love the way when the guy still love her. You get me. So, but as he talk this thing, so many Nigerians and so many Obodo Igbo people start to come for him because not be Nigeria person actually. You get. So you feel say this one I love. I've been a usage with this one as a lady.
What did they call that one? Yes, he
does set. But what if the guy just enjoy the cruise? Self, not be say he take her serious.
I'm not gonna call this one enjoying or cruise. You know, say this woman cheat on you, born picking for somebody else.
Yes, even marry, come back.
Marry, come back. Ha. Yeah, I don't know I don't know how to process this whole one, but. We need to check with the guy first. Whether
the guy there all right, Abi.
Yes.
But me, I they think differently. What if the guy just they play along, they enjoy? Because see where I start to suspect. He said, baby, you told me you rather have some of me than not to have me at all. You understand?
That one a heavy statement.
So he said, when I got married and I told you that we could still date in private, you agreed.
What? You get married, and you said the guy say if you did date in private.
So at the end of the day,
and the guy agree.
Yes, sir. I don't feel say the guy and the loser for this arrangement. The way they look, I feel like they would enjoy the whole arrangement. But it is what it is, though.
They wait for front. That's now all I go talk. They wait
for who?
Front.
For the girl, before the man. Girl. Anyway, not be Nollywood though. This one, you both their life they not be like our own, no. Anyway. And our Black America now.
Did you say they said their own? They're not there alright. It was past our own.
They're not there alright. They're not actually there alright. They skip.
Alright, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.